Light is a welcoming, entertaining, and enhancing feature. It creates unique sensations, designing bona fide nighttime scenarios. The temporary scenic lighting by Enel X Global Retail changes the face of your town and transforms it into a unique spectacle under a starry backdrop. You can choose among 3 lighting design solutions, engineered to suit the needs of the space or the event that needs lighting. Colored lighting. Bright and intense colors to create captivating scenic designs, to communicate messages, raise awareness, and bolster community sentiment. Mapped lighting. Light envelops all structures to highlight and showcase their forms and beauty. Static and dynamic graphics create a refined ambience that embellishes and delivers added value to facades and urban spaces. Video mapping. Music and dynamic projections highlight the story and the essence of each milieu. We deliver an immersive show, entertaining and captivating younger and older audiences. To celebrate festivities or a special event, choose the temporary scenic lighting by Enel X Global Retail. Your city under a new light.